I'll be straight with you. I replaced my 800 a month VA with one AI agent, and after testing this for 30 days, here's what broke. This is Lindy AI. It calls itself an AI employee. I put it through real work for 2 weeks straight. First job, inbox triage. Lindy reads every email, flags urgent ones, and drafts replies in your voice. No more drowning in messages. Second job, meetings. Lindy books the slot, joins the call, transcribes it, and writes the summary. Zero note taker app needed. Third job, phone calls. Lindy can call leads, qualify them, and book appointments 24/7 in multiple languages. Would you trust an AI to call your clients? Comment below. Compare that to a human VA. A VA costs $15 to $25 an hour. Lindy starts at $50 a month flat. Pricing has 4 tiers. Free, Plus at $49.99, Pro at $99.99, Max at $199.99. But credits, not seats, decide your real cost. Here's the catch I ran into around day 12. Complex chain tasks burn 5 to 10 times more credits than I expected. Reviewers call billing the #1 complaint, and I get why now. Has a surprise bill ever hit you? Tell me. My score, after 2 weeks of daily use, 7 out of 10. Great for inbox and calendar admin. Unreliable once tasks get complex. It's not a full VA replacement yet. Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.